YouTube Shorts, are they overrated? Or can you get millions of subscribers from them and make thousands of dollars per week? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make over $750 per day from YouTube Shorts without being monetized and without Google ad revenue. Let's go ahead and jump into it. If you're like me and don't like to wait, then keep watching this video as I will show you how you can get paid right now through the use of a technique you've never heard of before. This is completely free, no social media following is required, no skills, no experience, and it doesn't matter where you're coming from. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Let's go ahead and jump into the exact strategy on how you're gonna start earning from YouTube Shorts right now. So I found this little secret here on YouTube that is going to allow you to start earning from YouTube Shorts without being monetized. Now it revolves around one specific keyword, a phrase called PayPal giveaway. Okay, so I'm gonna show you exactly how you could start utilizing with this YouTube Shorts to start making some money. So let's go ahead and jump right into it on exactly what you need to do to make money from these YouTube Shorts. Okay, so the very first thing is actually getting content from YouTube Shorts. Now I don't want you to have to film the video yourself, so what we're going to do is to come over here to pexels.com, which is a copyright-free stock footage website platform that allows you to download images and videos for absolutely free, non-copyright, and you can use them on your YouTube channel. Now my YouTube channel uses this type of platform in order to get content, so I'm going to show you exactly what to do now. What we're going to search for is cash. We're just going to search for the word cash because I want the video to show money. So here you can see there's plenty of videos with money, but the problem with these particular videos is that they're horizontal, not vertical. The shorts are optimized for vertical, right, for a mobile phone. Now what you can do is kind of scroll down and see which mobile videos are available. Now this one's pretty cool. It shows the guy basically just counting cash, $10 bills. We could use that, but that's not too catchy. Okay, it's catchy, but it's not extremely catchy because it's just kind of boring. The guy's just counting bills. Okay, now this one's definitely more catchy. It's a very good video that we can use, the one you could definitely use now. I chose this one right here. It's a mobile format, it's vertical, and it's funny. People wearing these masks are eating $100 bills, and we're gonna use that for the PayPal giveaway. And I'm gonna show you exactly how we're doing a PayPal giveaway, utilizing this one website, and how we're going to get the shorts to go viral. So this is definitely the video you want to use. It's non-copyright, it's funny. It shows someone, you know, a girl and a guy wearing these masks eating $100 bills. So we're going to go ahead and download this video. That's the very first step. Now the second step is to actually create a video. Add some text to let people know that we're doing a PayPal giveaway. Now me and you aren't doing one. This platform is, but I'm gonna show you how you can start earning money from it. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so we're gonna go over here to Canva. So canva.com is basically a free software to edit videos and photos. But if you type in mobile video on the search bar, you can go ahead and create a blank mobile video. Press this, and there we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and drag over to the video that we downloaded to our computer right here. And we're going to size it perfectly for a mobile video. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add some text. Okay, so I'm going to add some text, and basically it's going to be like $1,000 PayPal giveaway. And then we're going to move it up right here. Now we're going to move that. You can go ahead, and it's very easy just to do that. We want to move it up, and then we're going to grab another one down here that says link down below. And then you could go ahead and add some arrows down below to let people know. And we could do that by going to elements, type in arrow, and we could go ahead and select an arrow from this. We're going to select a free one. I actually like this one right here. It's big, so that's telling people to go down below and put that there. So now we have this video, $1,000 PayPal giveaway. That's going to catch people's attention. They're going to be like, wow, $1,000. Okay, cool. they're gonna be scrolling through YouTube Shorts. They're gonna see this $1,000 PayPal giveaway. They're gonna see a very funny video with money in it. So it lets them know what it's about, and then we're gonna say link below. Now this link that we're gonna get is gonna pay us, and I'm gonna show you exactly where to get this link. Now we're going to go over to the next site. After we download this video to our computer, you're going to press download right here in the top right hand corner to download it to your computer. So we have that video ready to go now. We're going to come over here to offervault.com. Now this is an affiliate network that will pay you commissions, and if we type in PayPal right here, I'm going to type in PayPal. You're going to see that we're going to scroll down that there are some sweepstake offers that will pay you money, and the sweepstakes offer will pay you for leads, meaning emails. When someone types in their information, their email, they're going to pay $4.90. So we're going to click on that, and as you can see, they'll pay you $4.90 per lead, meaning per email that someone submits, and they're going to land on this site right here. Okay, so it's like $1,000 to your PayPal account. Do you want a PayPal gift card? If they select yes, then they're going to enter their email and enter the sweepstakes, and this company will pay you $4.90 just for someone entering in their email. Pretty cool, right? You can actually enter if you want with your email and see if you could win $1,000. But that's not how we're going to make money. We're going to make money from other people watching our short videos. Millions of people entering in their email, and we're gonna earn $4.90 per email that's submitted. Now in order to do that, you're gonna get your special link by running an offer. Okay, you're gonna press run offer, fill up the information, and they're gonna give you your special link. They're gonna give you your special link that leads to this site. I'm gonna go ahead and copy the link because we need that link. That's gonna be the monetization for the YouTube Shorts. Alright, now we're gonna come over here to YouTube, and what I did was I went ahead and uploaded that video we created on Canva, and I'm gonna go ahead and title it $1,000 payment giveaway, and then hashtag shorts. You have to put the hashtag shorts so that YouTube knows that this is a short video. It's under a minute long. It's 60 seconds. That's the sweet spot. You want it around 50 to 20 seconds. And then what we want to do is to add that special link. So we'll be like, click here to enter giveaway, and then you're gonna go ahead and paste the link there. That's our affiliate link that will lead to the website, and if anyone clicks that and puts their email, we're gonna get $4.90. So it's pretty easy if 50,000 people watch the shorts and 1,000 of them put their email in. You could do the math. That's over $4,000 that we generated simply from people putting in their email from our YouTube Shorts. Okay, so that's exactly how to monetize YouTube Shorts without being monetized on YouTube and earning ad revenue. We can earn revenue from different sources such as affiliate commissions like this right here. And that's it! Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.